What a beautiful day. Maybe it's wonder it's raining day. Remember? Ah! Run for your life! It looks like a something. Jack! Jack, give me that.
Oh, sorry, Timpu. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But my head is fine. So what on earth are you doing?
I was trying to play with the drums.
No, you can't play with the drum. It's too loud. Jax? You have to make so loudly?
I don't know.
Oh, that made me a headache. And I want to be the beauty now.
Okay. Now what are we going to do? I know. Maybe we can tell Grandpa about raining.
Really?
All right. Now let's go to Grandpa.
Hello, kids. How are you doing today?
I am great.
Well, sure. Then let me have to sing me something. Then what can I put it? And perhaps it's in the closet. Oh, yes, there he is. I found the cloud. So, Jax, what are we going to do with all the clouds?
Rain?
Yes, indeed, rain. So, rains come to the clouds. Every cloud is for a million years. Maybe I put the tiny tub of water. It's called a stay up in the sky, and then we float out.
Yes, indeed, Grandpa. So, how are we going to get down with the clouds?
Oh, yes, indeed, it's going down. But so, the cloud is called a bump of water. And now it's gonna be, hooray, it's raining.
Oh, it's rain. Well, thank you, Grandpa.
Well, you're welcome.
So, how are we going to make it rain?
Rain, oh sorry, when they fly over the clouds and sprinkle thousand a little bit of dry ice on it.
A dry ice?
Exactly.
Oh, hey, Jax.
Oh, you're right. Take one to know how to get the dry ice or something.
Oh, a dry ice? Ho. Exactly. But maybe we can dry ice. It's called ice cream. And then with ice cream had to went to the truck for some reason. When you sprinkle on the clouds, it's called sprinkle. And sprinkle is seeding. Because each little seeds is grow ice. It's called droplets of water to make it rain. All of ice is grow bigger in the clouds. It's raining.
Oh, that's a great idea, Grandpa. Let's go take off.
Yeah! Okay, to the clouds. Okay, Jax, you can put some blocks of dry ice in the sky. You got it?
Yes, I got it. Say what now?
I said put some dry ice in the sky to make it sprinkle.
I got it. Wow!
No, Jax, not the fire in the sky. What? Ah! Ah! I guess we're in the sky. Now you go after you. No, you go after you. After you, after you, after you, after you, after you, after you, after you.
All right, that's enough. I will handle this.